that does mobile make us smarter or dependent? So this side we have some boys who said मोबाइल के साइड में बोलेंगे एंड सम बॉयज आर हियर जो डिसएडवांटेजेस के बारे में बोलेंगे और दे मेक अ फाइटिंग दे मेक अ डिबेट whatever debate you are watching on a live on a television the same thing is going is here. So may I request it to you each and everyone to watch it carefully and try to get it and try to understand it what they want to exactly wanted to show. So all guys are ready? So first you introduce yourself first.
Namaste everyone, myself Mong and I am from 8th standard. We are talking about the advantages of the mobile phones.
Then
Ohio gozaimasu everyone. I am Atharva from 8th class and we are in the favor of mobile is make a man so dependent.
who begins their journey, they are beginning to their fight and that fight is not a weapon, they are going to fight with the words and expressions and the thoughts. Whatever the thoughts they have, they are fighting with that, not with the weapons. So may I request you to big round approach for them, then we will be begin it again. So मैं सभी पेरेंट्स से बोलूँगा कि एक बार जोरदार तालियों से उनका स्वागत करेंगे और now the battle is going on. Everyone has a problem about the mobile phone. Is mobile phone useful for us or not? Everyone has a question. So many people think about that the mobile phone is smarter than the human. But the main thing is that the mobile phone is made by the human. How it could be smarter than a human? Because of that, each and everything in around the earth and on the earth, each and everything is made by the man. So how it could be smarter? The both battles is going on here. So I would like to start again here. So from the first side, I would like to invite to Mahan to start this journey of battle of words. Okay, carry on.
As technology is growing day by day and technology is increasing and improving, so the uses of the mobile phone is also increasing because the mobile phone is also a part of technology and it helps us in many uses. It is a very useful thing. I agree with you.
Mobile make us more dependent and mobile decrease our thinking power and decrease our memory also. So,
but we are in favor of mobile phone because mobile phone is very useful for this generation and it is easy to carry anywhere.
But mobile phone is harmful for our brain.
It also make us smart.
It can only be harmful when we overuse the mobile phones.
Due to mobile, we take away from playing outdoor games. Due to that health problem, Kate, what do you say about that?
We should play the outdoor games, but the mobile is also necessary for our life.
We can take the example of COVID because in COVID we are not able to go outside and mobile help us more because we can join the online classes also.
but those person have not able to purchase the mobile. They get outside the door and
I am not totally agree about that, but maximum this is modern time and maximum people have mobile phone.
But children don't give the attention toward that classes.
That is the fault of student.
That is the fault of student. It is not a fault of mobile phone. Mobile phone is doing its work properly. You can't say about that.
it distract our mind.
How it can be distracted our mind.
When we are doing any work and any platform message we get and whole day that message came and from that we can distract our mind from our
So
work.
we can off the notifications. It is the work of mobile phone is not only to give the messages.
We can also talk anywhere, anytime by using mobile phone.
Without mobile, we can also survive.
But our relatives.
We can use books.
But our relatives live from far distance, so we can meet only 1 or 2 times.
There are other technology available for talking to each other.
But the mobile phone have all of these technologies like calling, various sources of.
There is a telephone for calling.
There is
There is
also
separate-
telephones, but telephone can't replace the mobile phone because mobile phone has also many of the features which telephone had not.
We cannot express our feelings in phone, on call.
How you can say that? How you can say that we can't express the feelings in our calls?
Because there is not a emotional touch and where there are we not talk to each other face to face.
So why are you connecting the emotional touches to the mobile phones?
Because by calling we can't express our emotions and from that there is lack of emotion.
Mobile phone is a gadget, not an emotion.
But from that gadget we can lack our emotions. If there is not mobile phone, so we can go there and talk with our family members.
Your parents also use mobile phone to collect your memories.
But we can,
If we are living far from our parents, how we can communicate with our family?
With the help of letters, there and letters.
The letter take 2 or 3 days to.
There are PCOs.
If it is a case of emergency, so what we will do?
There is PCO, telephone.
There is also telephone, but if we are not telephone at that time, so because the telephone uses of the telephone at this time is very in the little amount.
if we have
Another was
emergency,
also so cheaper than the mobile. Telephone is so cheaper than the mobile.
Telephone is cheaper, but mobile phone not only give the feature of calling.
But
It
we
has
have-
also many features, just as GPS tracking, and also we can track the location of the trains from the mobile phones.
We have other gadgets also.
We have other gadgets, but mobile is all in one gadget.
If we forget a mobile, then
It is our fault. That is not fault of mobile phone. How can you say that?
But mobile phone is harmful for our health.
How it can be harmful?
By the mobile phone, our eyes are affected.
So in this case, what is the problem of mobile phone?
because when there is no mobile phone, so this is problem are not faced by people. But when there is mobile phone, the all people face this problem.
It is dependent on the particular people how they are using mobile phone.
People make mobile and mobile is harmful from themselves mean of that mobile is harmful.
But it also makes us smart.
Without mobile we can make ourselves smart with the help of other things.
But the mobile phone reduces our thinking skill.
No, it is wrong. Mobile phone can also improve our thinking skills. We can learn the languages.
How
it
how
can
you
decrease
say
our
that?
memory.
How you can say that?
In summertime we are
There are too many apps. Not only the mobile, there are also too many apps which are very useful for us.
It can decrease our memory also.
Book also, but the book can book click the cameras, can book give us notification, can book in the book we can see the location of the trains or aeroplanes. In the book can we book the tickets.
But mobile get his information with the books.
If there is a matter of
Books are
information,
not available in library.
and if there is a matter of information,
It is available
then
in the library.
but some books are not
So many
available
books
in
in the
library.
library.
But mobile was not always correct.
All books are available. We are purchased from depot.
So why are you including the books here? The topic is of the mobile phone, and mobile phone not only is useful for the knowledge.
And what
Mobile phone is made by people and they are learned from books.
if mobile is harmful, then why people made it? If there is a, what did you think about that 2,000 people who died by the private video release?
So in this case, you have any problem for the mobile?
Yes, if there
How
is
you can say that? Give me the whole information about that.
Just like hackers can track the mobile and disturb the private life of the humans.
setting up mobile phone.
but not all people know about that.
So why the people will buy a phone without knowing its features?
They know some feature, all features. If they-
But they can know the basic features.
So there is a Google. They can also learn how to manage.
But Google was not always correct.
Google is not always correct, but there are also many applications.
Those students have their own mobile, they cannot concentrate on their studies
It is the
properly.
fault of their student.
But mobile attract us.
And if you can study,
They distract our
But
mind.
mobile is doing its work properly. You can't say it distracts our mind.
And some children suicide for mobile.
How will they suicide for mobile? It is in this case the fault of is there.
and if you can study with the mobile, then why did you come to school?
You can
The
join the
mobile is
online
a source of
classes.
study. We cannot say that this mobile we can only study from the mobile phone. There are also books. I am in favor of books. I am not telling that the books are very harmful, but mobile phone is also doing its work also.
And what about RF radiation released by the mobile phone?
But the radiation are also caused from the televisions and other electrical appliances like laptop, iPads, and computers.
But the most of radiation is released by the mobile phone.
Glass also available.
how you can say the most of radiation is released by mobile phone?
There are also televisions in the world.
And
You
in the
cannot say
mobile we
that.
store our personal documents. Some hackers hack the mobile and hack the account. So
But what is the problem of mobile in that?
If there is not mobile, so we can put our private all things in that.
But it's not only for the putting of the document. It has also various uses. You cannot say that.
And now you are going with disadvantages of mobile phone, but in reality you are also using mobile phone.
So,
we are using a mobile phone, but there is a limited.
So why are you telling the disadvantages of mobile phone?
But it.
no. The discussion is going on the way. So we have to finish it here. We have a very short time for that. The next time we will arrange one more time debate competition and you will express your thoughts and something like this. That they were fighting with the words is going on the same time and same time also. So now we would like to stop here. Our debate competition, that is the mobile is harmful for you or smarter or nothing is that like that. So we finish here. So all of you participants have a good day and thank you for participating here and express your views and thoughts and emotions with the words. So thank you here.